The government has just announced the scrapping of the winter fuel payment for millions of pensioners, saving a projected $1.5 billion. But let's be honest, this wasn't a tough decision, it was the easiest decision. This £1.5 billion cut directly impacts the most vulnerable in our society, our pensioners. It means the payment that could have saved them from freezing this winter is gone. So where could the government have found this money instead? The answer lies in our bloated foreign aid budget. They could have rolled back contributions to the Green Climate Fund and international climate finance projects with the World Bank, on infrastructure projects in stable or middle-income countries, and of course on the consultancy fees and bureaucracy of running the whole thing. We are sending millions of pounds to places like India and Brazil, economies growing fast and capable of funding their own infrastructure projects and other initiatives. Meanwhile, British pensioners are left to freeze. A real tough decision and a show of real leadership would have been to scale back the foreign aid budget from $11.6 billion to $8.5 billion, instead of sacrificing support for pensioners. But this government chose the easy way out. So, we're sending billions overseas while our own people suffer. For me, the choice is clear. Support British pensioners or fund unnecessary projects abroad. The $20 billion black hole in the public finances is a red herring here. Labour knew before they were elected that they were coming for pensioners. If you agree with me, then please share this video and follow me on X.